In this video, we'll show you exactly how to wire the STC-1000 temperature controller to automate heating in your chick brooder, with no cooling needed. It's safe, simple, and beginner-friendly. Start by cutting 4 short wires about 2 centimeters each. Connect them to terminals 1, 2, 5, and 6 on your STC-1000. Now, outside the controller, you'll build 2 connection groups, one for AC power and one for the heater circuit. Take 1 wire from your AC plug and combine it with terminal 1 and terminal 6. This becomes the live line that powers both the STC-1000 and the heater relay. Then take the other wire from your AC plug and combine it with terminal 2 and one side of your heater or heat lamp. This completes the neutral return line. Now connect terminal 5 to the remaining side of your heater. This line will carry power only when the controller activates heating. At this point, make sure all your wire joins are tight and secure. Then, wrap all combined connections with black electrical tape to protect from shorts and shocks. Safety first. Once powered, the STC-1000 will display the current temperature. When the room drops below your set point, it turns on the heater through terminal 5. Once the right temperature is reached, it turns off, keeping your chicks safe and warm automatically. Set your F1 temperature to 35 degrees Celsius for newborn chicks and lower it by 2 degrees each week as they grow. Your entire brooder is now smart, hands-free, and energy efficient. If this setup helped you, hit like, leave a comment, and follow Agribuzz for more smart farming tips. Full wiring diagram and PDF guide are in the description below.